From the title of this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, what you need to do if you want to be able to do this, you're going to head over to your Discord, right? At first, you need to post an image. You need to post a text, right? So you can see I just posted two texts right here. This, hey fam, this, thank you friends for the support, right? So what we're going to do now, we're going to choose one from this both, right? So I want to choose this one. So for you to be able to do this, you're going to right click your mouse, right? Once I right click your mouse, you're going to see a lot of options here. Now what we're going to do now, you're going to click on this right here. Once you have done that, you'll see this. Oh yeah, click it. So give it just a few seconds for you to be able to see what you just did right now. Exactly. So you can see this message. So this is basically how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.